Hey, everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. Today, we're diving into the world of Instagram and I'll be walking you through a step-by-step guide on how to find trending Add Yours on Instagram stories. It's an awesome way to connect with others and join in on the latest trends. So, let's get started. Step 1. Access Instagram. First things first, fire up your Instagram app and make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Open your story. Once you're in, tap on your profile picture or swipe right from your feed to access your stories. This is where the magic happens. Step 3. Choose your photo. Now, it's time to add your personal touch. Pick a photo from your camera roll or take a new one that you'd like to share with your followers. Step 4. Access stickers. Here's where the fun begins. Look for the sticker icon, usually located at the top of your screen. It looks like a little square smiley face. Tap on it. Step 5. Search for Add Yours. Now, in the sticker options, you'll see a search bar. Type in Add Yours, and hit Enter. This will filter out the sticker options, and you'll see the Add Yours sticker among the results. Step 6. Click on Add Yours. Once you've found the Add Yours sticker, tap on it. This action will prompt a new window or a feed showing various trending Add Yours challenges or themes. This is where you can dive into the current trends. Browse through the different Add Yours challenges available. You might find anything from favorite book recommendations to travel bucket lists, and even pet photos. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily discover and join trending Add Yours challenges on Instagram stories. It's a fantastic way to engage with your followers and the broader Instagram community. Remember, the trends are always changing, so don't hesitate to explore and add your unique twist to these challenges. Have fun and let your creativity shine. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks here at Phone Transformer. Until next time, stay creative and keep sharing those amazing stories.